My name's Giles and I'm the Customer Safeguarding Manager at Cadent. Cadent are a gas distribution network providing the safe supply of gas across 4 of the 8 gas distribution networks across the UK. Today's event is about dementia-friendly utilities and a call for innovation. It's an opportunity for us to put a call out across the UK to ensure that we're asking innovators for new ideas to help support utilities united to support keep people safe, warm and independent in their homes.
I'm Sarah Greenwood, I'm the Corporate Partnerships Executive for Alzheimer Society.
I'm Natasha, I'm Senior Innovator at Alzheimer Society. So we know that dementia is one of the biggest issues of our time, and people affected by dementia have told us themselves that the way they interact with utilities is something that really needs to change. We know it affects every aspect of someone's life, so there's a really important role for utilities companies to see what they can do to better support people who use their services.
So coming along today for Cadent is really important. We are, as an innovation team, turning a corner. We're moving more towards customer and innovating the space of the customer. Traditionally, we've tended to innovate around engineering with valves and pipework, and we still need to keep doing that, but we need to make sure we leave an impact on our customers and a positive impact. So today is the start of that journey.
So my name is Turner-Bennett and I'm an innovation engineer with EIC. Never been in this area, this is unusual for me, and that's why I want to be part of it. I think it's morally right, I think it's ethically right, and I think it's definitely the right way the network should be going, so I want to be there to support it.
Today is really important because we, every day of the week, enter into people's homes and see life happen. We want to ensure we support communities and help keep people safe, warm and independent in their homes. By having an innovation call to understand how we can support people living with dementia, we can come up with great ideas and great innovations to practically support people to stay in their homes longer.
It put people in the scene, as you can see with the backdrop behind me, set the scene to put people in the perspective of someone with dementia without actually having it, and that can be quite difficult, definitely difficult because we don't have it, but we've tried with expertise from the supporting charities to try and put that perspective towards people, and hopefully that will give people that inspiration to solve an idea, or to solve a problem, sorry.
The interactive sessions we've seen today have been a really great insight into what would be in anybody's home, and just a normal room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and things you might not even think there would be a problem or even a hazard.
So I think even from somebody who's got an interest in this area and actively was trying to find out what the condition was about and how people suffer living in this way. Even after actively searching, I still didn't have a clue. I didn't realise how many layers of the onion that you needed to peel off to get to the base of this. So I think that again, you know, people, if they just know a few simple things that we've learned today, it can make a massive difference.
So it's been really good today with the engagement. I've met lots of SMEs, small businesses, and people who I've not come across before, so it was fabulous to see them here today. And there is something about that because we as a utility business, we only know what we know, and we know what we do know. We need to transform our organisation and how we serve our customers and communities, and we haven't got the answer. And so it's by meeting people here today, sharing those needs with them, that we can have those new opportunities to allow creativity and change the industry so that it's forward-looking and engaging all of our customers.
Events that allow innovators and utility companies and the whole industry to come together to collaborate is so important, because otherwise how do you know what needs to be done and how do you know what's available? Being able to network with other people who are in the industry and find out what challenges there are, it's just fantastic.
So by bringing together Alzheimer Society with various partners, it's a really good way to come up with ideas that none of us would be able to come up with by ourselves.
So I think it's been a fantastic day. It's been important to come because it's a collaboration of gas companies, electricity DNOs and tech innovators, all seeing how they can help people living with dementia have a better time dealing with utilities companies.
Yeah, I mean from the sessions today, I think it's very important that the organisation, especially the EIC, as they've started the journey, and I hate the word journey, but that trip to get people together, not just from the utility industry, but I think it needs to cross over to other industries, whether that be telecoms, whether it be the insurers, care in the community. It's about having a centralised location for all this with PSR and Public Services Register. It's about all of those need to commit and join together to solve the problems.
So if an innovator's out there that's got an idea to possibly help someone with dementia live more independently in their home, then put pen to paper, go to our website ukic.com, go through to the opportunities page, select dementia support, and then effectively register, and you can put your idea forward.